Your side profile probably looks worse than your front, and no, it's not just bad genetics, because if that was true, you'd look bad from every angle, but you don't. From the front you look completely fine, but from the side, suddenly your jaw looks weaker, chin looks smaller, and nose looks bigger. And no, this is not random, there is a reason behind it. Most people never fix this because they don't even understand what's causing it. They think, I just have a weak jaw, I need surgery, that's just my face. But in reality, your side profile is heavily influenced by how your body is positioned. Not just your bones, but your posture and habits. And once you fix that, your face can look completely different. And it all comes down to two main things: posture and tongue position. First is posture, and this is the biggest one. If your head is even slightly forward, your entire face shifts. Your chin goes back, your jaw loses definition, and your neck looks weaker. And this is called forward head posture. And almost everyone has it now. But why? Because you're constantly looking down at your phone, at laptop, you're sitting all day, and your body naturally adapts to that position. So your normal becomes misaligned. And here's the truth: your head is supposed to sit directly over your spine, not in front of it. And when you bring it back into alignment, your jawline instantly looks sharper. Not just because you grew anything, but because you put it into proper place. There are two main exercises you can do to fix that forward head posture, and those are chin tucks and 90-90 breathing. And you can find the explanation of how to properly do these exercises by clicking the first link in the description. Second is tongue position. This is the one that most people ignore. Your tongue is supposed to rest on the roof of your mouth, not at the bottom. Not pushing your teeth, but fully resting up. And why does this matter? Because your tongue supports your facial structure from the inside. When it's in the right position, it helps maintain a wider, more supported upper jaw. And when it's not, everything starts to collapse slightly inward over time. And this affects how your jaw, chin, and overall profile look. And no, this isn't some overnight fix, but over time it makes a massive difference. So I would recommend you to start doing moving as soon as possible. Now, here is where most people mess up. They try to fix posture for 5 minutes a day, then go back to 10 hours of bad habits. And that doesn't work. Your body changes based on what you do most of the time, not occasionally. So you firstly need to fix how you sit, how you stand, how you walk, and how you use your phone. Because those small things are repeated daily. And that's what shapes your posture the most. And let's be real for a second. This won't turn you into a completely different person overnight, but it will surely make your jaw look stronger, make your chin look more defined, and make your entire profile look stronger. Basically, it helps you reach what you already have, but you don't show it yet. So if you actually want to fix your side profile and stop guessing what works, focus on posture and tongue position first. And if you want the exact step-by-step system to fix this properly, you can click the first link in the description, where I explain everything down in detail. See you in the next one.